Imagine a world where your wildest engineering dreams could be brought to life with stunning precision and efficiency. Well, my friends, that world exists, and today we're diving headfirst into it. Welcome to a journey of innovation, where we'll be unveiling the mesmerizing power of the Doosan Puma 300C CNC lathe, a true game-changer in the world of machining. Let's delve into the heart of this engineering marvel. With a CNC system powered by the renowned FANUC Series 21 ITB, this 2007 model Doosan Puma 300C boasts a range of specifications that are nothing short of impressive. A maximum turning diameter of 400 millimeters opens the door to a world of possibilities, while the generous maximum turning length of 630 millimeters ensures versatility in your projects. Equipped with an X-axis travel of 282 millimeters and a Z-axis travel of 680 millimeters, this CNC lathe offers exceptional maneuverability. But that's not all. The spindle diameter of 315 millimeters, coupled with the ASA 211 spindle nose, enables a seamless workflow, accommodating a wide variety of workpieces. With a spacious spindle bore of 102 millimeters, you have the flexibility to tackle complex projects with ease. Now let's talk about the brains behind the operation. The Doosan Puma 300C boasts a tool capacity of 10, allowing you to carry out intricate operations without frequent tool changes. And here's the exciting part. This machine is not just a relic, it's a modern marvel that has stood the test of time. Crafted in 2007, it's still as relevant and efficient as ever. We're not just sharing the numbers, we're unveiling an opportunity. And there's more. This machine is in impeccable condition. It's complete with all its parts and accessories, including a chip conveyor and 2 kit tools. This means you're not just acquiring a machine, you're acquiring a tool that's ready to elevate your machining endeavors. While the machine finishes the short program that an expert kindly create for us and for filming it, we want to talk about how fresh this machine is. What we meant to say is that this machine was still producing high-quality pieces with unbelievable precision just a few hours before we picked it up, due to the high demand. After a meticulous inspection by us and a prepared group of people, we started the transportation process, bringing the machine from the company where we purchased it to our warehouse here in Italy. Everything was perfect, thanks to our Italian team. You can always see how we work over our YouTube shorts. Just click in the right-up corner of this video for more information. The Doosan CNC Lathe is now ready for delivery. Will you be the one to invest in this machine and take a step in the right directions? Visit our website linked in the description down below, as well as our contacts and more information about us. Enjoy these last machine shots and come see it in person over our warehouse. Everything in this machine looks meticulously curated, from the spindle to the smooth X and Z axis movement. And there you have it. The journey from dreams to reality all start with this machine, the incredible Doosan Puma 300C CNC lathe. But this isn't the end of the road. We're just scratching the surface of this Doosan potential. So, if you've enjoyed this journey and want to see more precision magic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.